December. It is the last month of 2024. And wow, time flies by. I want to talk to you about what I think one of the greatest risks to your finances are. Well, for the markets, the month of November was quite interesting. We had some results that then let the markets rally because uncertainty was removed. It touched an all-time high and finished the month up. What I think one of the greatest risks are to finance and your financial planning and your investments. And your greatest risks are maybe not what you're expecting. Your greatest risk is actually how likely you are to live a lot longer than you're thinking. And I got my update, one of my favorite little charts I want to show you here. And so if we just look at a 65-year-old that is healthy and isn't smoking, for a woman, you have a 72% chance of living to age 85. For a man, it's 63. If you're a married couple, it's over 90. So just stop right there. You have a very high probability, if you're 65 and healthy right now, of living to age 85. If we stay with the couples, if you're with somebody, it becomes almost a 50% chance that one of you is going to live to 95. So that's 30 years in retirement if you're 65 right now. And the point is, every year, our life expectancies continue to increase. People are living longer. The money you have needs to last longer. The problem with living longer is day in, day out, with all these uncertainties that show themselves, people overreact. And I want to reiterate, the overreaction in the short-term thinking can defeat the long-term need. I'm mindful of overreacting because one of the other things that happened in November is we got our first snowstorm. And like any first snowstorm, people end up overreacting because they're not used to driving on the snow. They're not used to thinking how far their destination is, and they overreact, they oversteer, they overbrake, and end up spinning out and affecting the travel that they wanted to have. And your portfolio and the rest of your life is no different. To the extent that we allow ourselves to overreact in the short term, we can dramatically change the outcome long term. And our job as your advisor is to bring perspective, not only to what your needs and your concerns are now, but what they're going to be into your future. So as we end 2024 and go into next year, be mindful that maybe we don't need to overreact. Maybe we don't need to react even all that much if we've built a portfolio for the rest of your life, because you probably have more time than you think.